So let me explain what I was quiet for last few days on social media and why it can improve your business. It's gonna be a little bit technical, but listen to me, it's really gonna be worth it. So what you are seeing here is a multi-agent autonomous pipeline. It's eight specialized AI agents that communicate through a shared database, each handling one part of the sales process, running 24/7 without a human intervention. In an AI world, this is called an agenting system. It's what every AI company is trying to build right now. OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, all are racing to make agents that can do this. I just basically built it one from scratch with no technical background. Uh, why some of the engineers could be really impressed with that. Most cold email operations use a tool like Instantly or Smart Lead. We have is a fundamentally different. My system doesn't use the templates. Every single email is generated uniquely by an AI that has been fed 15 plus data points about that specific business, their tech stack, their blog's last published date, their contact page gaps, their hiring roles, the review rating, their company age, their director's name. No two emails are the same. No human could research 1,600 businesses to this depth. It would probably take one person about 6 to 8 months of full-time work. This system does it in a weekend. What's the technical architecture of it? Now, my VPS runs a Node JS application with 8 agents orchestrated, which are all here by the manager. Manager is not visible. This is what makes all this thing work. It's a brain. The manager manages through the scheduler. Each agent is a self-contained module. Scout, which is here, it queries the UK Companies House API, the actual government business registry, to find real verified companies. It cross-references SIC codes, which is industry classification, filters by company age, status, accounts type, and dormancy flags. This isn't scraping Google, it's querying the official source of truth for every UK business. 133 cities, 7 niches, 931 search combinations. Then you have a researcher here. Researcher runs a 10-layer enrichment pipeline. It starts with the free data, company's house, health check, 10 kill conditions. Then progressively uses paid services only when free checks pass. Then Apollo IO finds verified decision makers' emails with job titles and LinkedIn profiles. The free website scanner replaces what companies like Firecrawl charges about $500 a month for the service. And then you have a million verifier, confirms every email before sending the layers. And the layers are ordered specifically to spend credits only for qualified prospects. This is called a progressive enrichment waterfall, and it's what enterprise sales teams pay consultants 50,000 plus to design. Then you have a website scanner. Is basically my secret weapon. It fetches the prospect's homepage plus up to 10 inner pages, runs 70 plus technology signature detections, every major CRM, chat tool, booking system, analytics, platform, ad network, CMS, extracts emails through 4 different methods: standard regex, mail to links, obfuscation decoding, schema org, JSON LD, and the text services offered, team members, and then runs the V2 enrichment layer, block freshness from actual published data dates, contact page quality scoring across 7 channels, pricing page existence, hiring roles extracted from careers page, reviewing ratings from embedded widgets, favicon presence, team page depth. This is what makes your emails basically feel hand researched. Then your writer. We have a qualifier working here through some scouted leads. Anyway, then we have a writer. The writer is over here. What writer does, he feeds all this data to Google's Gemini AI with a carefully engineered prompt that forces dense data stacking. 6 specific facts woven into basically 80-word emails. The prompt bans generic language, rotates curiosity hooks, and includes the real example email as the quality bar. This is called few-shot prompting with constraints. It's an advanced prompt engineering technique. Then you have a sender. Sender is over here. Sender rotates across 7 authenticated domains with SPF, DKIM, and DMIRC, the 3 email security protocols that prove you are not a spammer. Priority ordering sends the highest scored prospects first. This domain rotation strategy is the email deliverability agencies charge basically 2,000 to 3,000 per month to set up. What you have next, you have a qualifier over here. And what qualifier does, it's basically he monitors 7 IMAP inboxes in real time. It uses Gemini to classify every reply: positive, negative, question, objection, auto reply, and can auto generate qualifying responses. This is conversational AI for sales. The qualifier doesn't just flag replies, it can hold the initial conversation for you. Then we move on to analyst. Analyst is over here. Is a self-learning layer. It correlates reply data with every dimension, which niche, which angle, which hook, which score band, which day of week got replies. It uses Gemini to identify patterns a human would miss, write recommendations, and feeds the winning formula back to the writer through the learning JSON file. This is a closed loop feedback system, the same concept that makes Tesla self-driving better every mile. My system basically gets better with every single email. What this means for my company. I'm not a consultant with a laptop, basically. I'm running what the industry calls a sales development engine, automated top of funnel prospecting with AI-powered personalization. Companies like Apollo.io, Outreach, and Salesloft have raised hundreds of millions in venture capital to build pieces of what I have basically here. They sell individual tools, a data enrichment API, a sequencing platform, deliverability service. I integrated all of them into one autonomous system. The competitive mode is basically very, very real. Any competitor can send cold emails, but nobody is stacking companies' house data. Apollo decision makers, plus 70 signature website scanner, plus V2 enrichment, blog dates, contact quality, hiring roles, plus AI-generated emails that reference the prospect's actual URL and specific gaps, plus a self-learning feedback loop. That combination doesn't exist as a product anywhere. So basically, when I sit down to the discovery call with the prospect and he says, "How did you know all that about my business?" That's the scanner, that's the researcher, and the writer working together. When my emails improve week over week without me changing anything, that's the analyst. When I never run out of the prospects, that's the scout with 133 cities and 931 combinations. It's basically AI-powered sales team that works 24/7, learns every day, and costs less than one junior employee. And this is all here. It took me over 3 days to build. So that was me ranting for 10 minutes. I hope that will help you and hopefully improve your business too. Let me know what you think in comments. Thank you.